With less than 24 hours left for Delhi's D-Day, even now Shaheen Bagh remains the burning issue for the polls. Delhi polls have been polarized to unprecedented extent as Shaheen Bagh turned into the epicenter of the anti-CA protests and soon became the main poll issue in the capital, with the BJP and AAP engaging in a bitter war of words and BJP leaders promising to vacate Shaheen Bagh on 11 February when the BJP claims that they will come to power. But as of now, the Supreme Court, while hearing the pleas on Shaheen Bagh protest today, has established that it doesn't want to influence Delhi polls any further, adjourning the plea filed by BJP MLAs seeking to remove hundreds of protesters that have been camping at Shaheen Bagh since over a month, leading to closure of the Kalindi Kunj Shaheen Bagh stretch, causing inconvenience to the commuters. When the petitioner argued that the postponement meant the case would not be heard till after the election, Justice S.K. Kaul humorously replied, "Cat is out of the bag, that is the exact reason we are adjourning." This comes as BJP leaders have been spewing venom against those protesting. Some, like BJP leaders Kapil Mishra, even went to the extent of comparing the Delhi polls to India-Pakistan contest. Union Minister Anurag Thakur's poll slogan inciting people to open fire at the so-called anti-nationals further vitiated the poll atmosphere. On the heels of his rally, there were 3 incidents of firing at Shaheen Bagh. Both Paresh Verma and Anurag Thakur faced a campaign ban by the poll watchdog. Union Minister Amit Shah even went on to appeal to the voters that they must press the lotus symbol so hard that the current is felt at Shaheen Bagh. The BJP has accused the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party of engineering the protests at Shaheen Bagh. Both the parties rubbished the claims. AAP has accused the BJP of not clearing the Shaheen Bagh area to keep it a burning issue for the polls. Meanwhile, many people have been demanding that the stretch must be vacated for a smooth commute. Now all eyes on the Delhi poll results on February 11th, whether BJP's bet on Shaheen Bagh comes true or whether Kejriwal sits on capital's throne once again on the strength of his track record of development.